Hello, what's up my fellow followers? This is Elvis, this is my Benzi. You are welcome to my channel. If you know you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for me and keep following. This is the class we show you anything you want to know about green screen. I'm here to let you know green screen is just that simple. Never make it feel it's so hard for you to learn. It is that simple. Let me use these 3 minutes of your time. With green screen, you just have to need your green screen. Secondly, make sure you have a good lighting. One on this side, one on this side. This is a simple way to get your green screen set up. You need 2 lights. The light is supposed to face you 5 meters away from your main green screen set. If you get these 2 lights, make sure you are not getting shadows. If there are shadows, then you need to bring in top light for the subject. I mean me as the subject. Premiere Pro is the best editing software that I use. I like it so much and I don't know about you, but if you want to follow me, please make sure you use Premiere Pro so that whatever I will do, you will be able to do. Now, start recording. What project do you want to do? Is it about movie? Then you need to change the background. Whatever you need to do, you have to change this background. What are your background? Do you create your own background? Do you create your own background? Do you want me to help you with? Okay, don't worry. Just give me a comment. I'll help you with a new background. I can create any type of background you want. If not, and you have a real footage, like a footage you shot outside, or a picture that you have seen and you wanted to use it for a green screen project, don't worry. Just listen carefully. Simple. Go to Premiere Pro. Put your project file in. Now locate effects. Search for Ultra Key. The best effect used in Chroma keying. Now see the effect of Ultra Key. Now let's change this background. This is video background. Now let's use picture background. Now, my position is very important. Now, look at me and my background. They are not matching. Now, I need to adjust either the background or myself to make the video correspond to me as the object. Voila! See, everything matches so nice. Now, let's assume you are shooting 2 objects. That is me or someone else. If you are shooting 2 people, or 2 objects, that means your shadow will be bigger than the previous one when you were shooting just me. Now we are 2. Let me tell you something. Green screen is the best. There's nothing new. There's nothing difficult. Anything you want to learn is that simple. And if you like this video, just give me a comment down there and please follow me and then hit the subscriber button for me. I beg you. See you.